Alright technicians, today I'm breaking down the installation of the Daikin DRC0603D000001S air conditioner. Let's dive right in. First up, some key concepts. BTUs, that's British thermal units. The Daikin 5-ton unit moves 60,000 BTUs per hour. This is crucial for matching the system to the building's cooling needs. Next, R32 refrigerant. It's eco-friendlier and more efficient compared to R410A. Remember, handling R32 requires EPA certification. CR2. This unit has a 16.2 CR2 rating, meaning it's super energy efficient, translating to lower operational costs for your clients. Now, pre-installation, ensure compliance with ASHRAE standards, specifically ASHRAE 90.1, for energy efficiency. Also, EPA regulations. Always handle refrigerants responsibly. Assess the site. Perform a manual J load calculation to confirm the 5-ton capacity is spot on. Verify structural support. The unit needs a stable, level platform. Let's move to installation steps. Mount the unit on a secure platform following ASHRAE guidelines. Connect the ductwork with airtight seals to maintain efficiency. For electrical connections, comply with local codes and ensure proper wiring. Charging the system with R32 is next. Follow EPA regulations to prevent any environmental harm. Proper handling ensures top-notch cooling performance. Post-installation, test the system, check the temperature differential and make sure it meets the CR2 efficiency standards. Keep detailed documentation for future inspections and maintenance. Maintenance is key. Schedule regular inspections to keep the system running efficiently and prolong its lifespan. Stay updated on EPA refrigerant regulations to ensure ongoing compliance. So, there you have it. Installing the Daikin DRC0603D000001S air conditioner requires careful planning and adherence to industry standards. Understanding BTUs, R32 and CR2 is crucial for success. Follow ASHRAE and EPA guidelines to provide optimal comfort while minimizing environmental impact. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button if this was helpful and subscribe for more tech tips. Till next time, keep it cool and efficient.